How to use AI effects in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now you can import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the top, tap on next. So now we in this editing platform. So basically this is the place where you can make different edits to the video. Here on the bottom, you can find different tools available. So if you slowly scroll right, there's a section of AI effects. Tap on AI effects. So here there are different effects that are available. Now tap on the one that you want to use. So here I'm tapping on one, and as you can see, this effect has been added. Now you can easily customize and edit it. So it's up to you and the way you want the video, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.